Hello and welcome to Showcase Yourself, the premier platform for talented individuals to market their skills and services. Whether you're an artist, performer, or any kind of creative professional, Showcase Yourself is here to help you shine. In this video, we will show you how to create your profile and talent listing. This is our website. To begin, click on Join the Showcase family, and then select the Become a Talent button. Enter your name, email address, username, and password to sign up. Welcome to the homepage. Click on Create Listing at the top right corner to get started. First step is to add an overview of the talent you are offering. Enter your talent title, choose a parent category, select a subcategory, then provide your state, city, gender, and age. Write a brief description of the talent you are offering. Here is the magic button. Click on the Optimize with AI button, and voila, AI has written an enhanced description for you. Next, add relevant tags that will help potential clients find you easily. Once done, click Save and Continue to proceed to the next step. In Step 2, you can decide whether you want to get paid on a fixed price or hourly basis. Clearly state your rates and mention the estimated delivery time for your services. Step 3 is to set your general availability. Adjust the times to create blocks for when you are available, based on your profile's time zone. Enter the start and end dates for your availability. Specify the time of day you are available by choosing morning, afternoon, or evening sessions. Then select the time blocks you are available on specific days. This helps casting directors understand when they can reach out to you. Step 4 is to get any additional information such as campaign brief goals, contracts, and NDAs. This ensures all necessary details are covered up front. Finally, add thumbnails and a listing image. Share your rate cards, licenses, certifications, or any other PDF documents that potential clients might find useful. Include links to your YouTube and Vimeo portfolios. Conclude by showcasing some of your best work in a self-made video. Congratulations! Your talent listing has been created, and our team will be reviewing it. Once approved by our team, your profile will be visible to the public. This step is crucial to avoid any scammers. You can update your profile anytime. Just click on Update Your Profile, and voila! Feel free to update it as you like. You can add your skills and languages you can speak. Verify your account by using your ID, driver license, or passport. For any other queries, feel free to contact us. Thank you for joining us at Showcase Yourself. Sign up today and start showcasing what you do best. Together, let's make your talent shine.